Nakalimutan kong mag-vlog. We are off to South Korea. O, sino ka dyan? Sino ka sa sa crop top? Sa crop top ka ba? Oo, sis. Grabe, ang lola namin sa trip na to. Walang nakakaisip. Kundi magreklamo.
Lasagad na namin habang nasa Manila. Lahat ng reklamo.
For boarding. Woohoo!
Local time now is 6:45 a.m. and there is a 1-hour time difference between Manila and Incheon. Ground temperature is at -4 degrees Celsius.
Touchdown. It's so cold.
제1여객터미널입니다.
Kahit kailan talaga eh. Wala maayos na ginawa sa buhay.
안전하게 탑승해 주세요.
We got our luggages. Ready nang sumabak.
With
Sa
our
pagsubok.
layers and our puffer.
Yep. And my trench coat. Fighting. Hey guys, we just picked up the Wi-Fi egg from Katie. It's right at the gate 13 arrivals area. We're on our way to the railroad, airport railroad. Gutom na kami. Hindi na ganyan kami. Sa kanila yung the RX. Dita, no? Pero, kaya pa ba? Ito na. A very humbling experience. Nothing humbles you more than this. Ayun lang. Iced hazelnut black chocolate. It's really cold. Oh, blue. Hello, where are we going?
We're going to Gyeongsang Market.
Gyeongsang Market. To what? Gyeongsang Market. Hello, hello. It's Dea and Chrissy from Seoul.
It's currently
Negative.
negative
Right now? Maybe negative 2 right now. Apparently. Oof. I have to put on my hood because it's really, really cold. Hi, we're in Gyeongsang Market. Ayan, bakit ang ganyan?
Parang sobrang saturated.
Ayan. Oh. Ayan. We're in Gyeongsang Market.
Oh, dang.
Perfect for winter.
Where are we going?
Hongdae. Magbabar kami dun. On the way to Hongdae. Late lunch. So funny, we were supposed to go to Myeongdong at 9 a.m. Pero kasi, nagising kami ng 2 or 3. Tapos, kumain kami, natulog kami ulit ng 6. Nagising kami 11 na. Ito na ba? not even cozy right now.
The sun goes around the state. Can't wait for the long day. 'Cause baby, like, ooh, it's all another flower lay. The sun goes around the state.
Ay, kakain tayo dun sa ano, kung saan kumain sila Mindy.
Oh,
Sa Gangnam.
yeah. Okay. We're gonna eat there.
For the long day. In the sun when I found you, the one you call. You got what I need and you always be turning my sky blue. But maybe I can't get to you. Why don't you come to stay? 'Cause baby, like, ooh, it's all another flower lay. The sun goes around the state. Can't wait for the long day. 'Cause baby, like, ooh, it's all another flower lay. The sun goes around the state. Can't wait for the long day. Go and open the door. And I've been waiting so long. The time for you has come. I want to show.
Isa to sa mga to-do list ko in Korea. Didn't disappoint. Always naglalasing.
We're in Hongdae.
V, we're supporting you.
We're supporting V.
Sana alam mo yun.
Sana alam mong mahal kita. Sana alam mong ikaw yung una kong bias. Sana alam mo yun.
Sana alam mong nakalimutan ko si JK dahil sa'yo.
Has been around for way too long. 'Cause baby, like, ooh, 'cause baby, like, ooh, 'cause baby, like, ooh, it's all another flower lay. The sun goes around the state. Can't wait for the long day. 'Cause baby, like, ooh, it's all another flower lay. The sun goes around the state.
Tuggeman Post Office.
We're going home.
Hindi pa pala. Magdodrop lang ng snow. Nagyarda.
Nagyarda kami ulit later. Hi, sister! Waiting for our bus. In this bus stop. It's not a heated bus stop. Paka-arte. Gusto mo na heated bus stop? It's not a heated bus stop. Gusto mo na heated?
Can't wait for the long day.
Iwa? Iwa Women's University. Yun yung maganda eh. Nakapunta ka na sa Iwa Women's University. Napunta kaming Hongdae and then binaba namin yung mga binili namin sa Airbnb and now we are out and about again. Punta kami sa Pojang Matcha or what you need. Iksundong. Yung Pojang Matcha, yun yung mga red tents na nakikita sa mga K-drama. Eh, gusto talaga namin ma-experience yun. So,
Bilang pa-main character naman ka.
bilang pa main character na may mamimit na Cheboy.
Chebol sa Pojang Matcha.
Sa Pojang Matcha.
Parang
Oo,
wrong ano tayo.
oo nga, anong gagawin? Hindi
Wrong
kasi
market.
nasa ano sila, nasa
Gusto nila
labas sila ng office mates niya.
Oo. Tapos gusto nila ma-experience yung normal.
Normal na pamumuhay.
Oo.
It's cold. Pojang Matcha. It's negative 3 degrees Celsius out. Feeling ko lalamig ka agad. Lamig-lamig ng soju namin. Grabe. Hi guys, it's day 3. It's day 3 in South Korea.
Wala akong
It's really cold. No, she looks like a local, right? 안녕하세요, 언니.
Annyeong! Babangga na tayo. Ito ba yun?
Yeah, you can like it. Sinabi ba niya kung anong ay hindi. Sinabi ba niya kung anong exit? I'll help you also. Wow. Ano ba? Saan? We are going to Suwon today. It's our agenda. We're going to see the Hwasong Fortress and also the new library at Starfield. Napakalayo nito guys. 1 hour mahigit. Tapos subway pa siya. So talagang malayo kasi mabilis ng subway. Correct. So, it's really far. Yeah, it's so far. Oh well.
How many more stations to go? 71 siya.
Hi guys! Niloko kami ng neighbor. Sabi niya, dire-diretso na.
Kanino wala lipat?
Kanina wala lipat. May pinapalipat na kami.
You're joking na asma.
I wonder why.
Maybe we'll
Oh my God,
get
baka
her
dito yung
meet
cute.
cute. Ay, no. Diba?
Ha?
I know. Baka dito yung meet cute na.
I know, girl. I
Get
was
lost.
thinking, baka ma-achieve natin dito yung hangin effect.
Ah.
I wonder, pero kasi may harang pa rin siya yun. No?
Yeah.
So, yeah. Maybe when we go to Tokyo.
Akala ko meet cute.
Pwede din meet cute. Actually, ang dami sundalo dito ah. How do we go there? We're going to Gangnam.
Doon namin na sa nakatago.
Oh, sige tara. Hi, Jenny. Baka naman dyan, Jenny. Nakakit mo. Hello. We're in Gangnam.
Welcome to our neighborhood.
Welcome to our neighborhood.
This is where we hang out.
Yeah, all the time. Naalala ko yun. Papuntang depression eh. Ano ba ito? Nagati niya ba? Naligaw pa ng umaga. May pangitain na agad ng umaga pa lang. Ang bangon. Hindi na maganda yung nangyari. Naligaw. Ayun na. Where are we going? We're going to K Street. K-Star Road. Kakagaling lang namin sa Croissant Cafe.
Okay naman, masarap naman.
Masarap naman siya.
Masarap yung, sour cream corn croissant.
Yes, sour cream corn croissant. Yeah.
Lunch.
Magsamda.
Even though I didn't eat out because I thought I was gonna get this.
Okay, today we are really gonna go sledding. For sure. Hindi kami nakapag-sledding.
Final
kahapon. Because when we got there, sarado na. Sakto, 5 kami dumating, 5 siya nagsasara.
Hindi kasi nagbabasa.
Yeah, so bakit ba kasi? Hindi ko alam ba't hindi kami nagbabasa. Hindi naman kami ganun katanga. Nag-iksandong kasi kami, siguro na overstimulate kami doon. Natagalan tayo doon sa photo booth eh.
I'm trying to close it.
Fresh juice. This is almost 400 pesos. Fresh, fresh, fresh. Good morning.
이번 정류소는 종로 4가 종묘입니다. 다음 정류소는 종로 5가 광장시장입니다. This stop is 종로 4가 종묘.
It's so worth. Hala, may mga hawak na paper bag. Hala, sa salbahe. Ang sasalbahe niya. Oh, pretty. Hello! May pressure ako. Kuya! Tulong! We're back. Ganda dito. Oh my God. Van po.
See the Eiffel Tower.
You see Nam Sanchi? There's Nam Sanchi. Ganda. Ah, yan. So, pwede tayo kupo dyan. This is a river. We're getting our food. Thank you. Success is